I just gave Go High Level one prompt and it opened my Instagram, went out and found 10 small business owners, checked every single one of their profiles, and then sent them all a cold DM. I didn't click anything. I didn't write a single message. And when I ran it again for my personal page, somebody actually wrote back showing interest in under a minute. So today I'm going to show you the whole thing on screen, exactly how it happened. And then I'll show you the $500 monthly service I'd sell to the people it finds. Now, real quick, here's why I'm the guy to show you this. I've been running my own social media marketing agency since 2011, and I still run it today. So instead of just telling you that, let me pull up my payment processor and refresh it live. There it is, a little over $5 million from our clients in the last 12 months. That's 4,707 payments from roughly 350 active clients, paying us about $1,000 a month each. I put this on screen every time because there are way too many people online teaching business who've never shown you one real number. And real quick, before I get into the recordings, what I'm about to show you isn't a one-time trick. It's a system you set up once and then run over and over for yourself or for a client to actually land paying work. And the software I run all of it on is called High Level. So if you want to follow along, click the first link in the description because that's my special free trial link and it gets you my free bonuses too. All right, let's get started with chapter 1, the one prompt that starts all of this. So this is Ask AI inside High Level, and there's a new Chrome browser extension for it. Once that's turned on, Ask AI can actually drive a real browser. It can go to websites, read what's on the page, click things, and type. So here's what I typed. Using the new Chrome browser extension, use my Instagram account and identify 10 people who are likely small business owners based on their bio, the accounts they follow, or the posts they're commenting on. Then send a direct message to them asking if they're the owner of the business you think they have. And then I gave it 3 filters. Skip anybody over 1,500 followers, skip anybody who hasn't posted in the last 2 years, and skip anybody who looks like a coach or teaches how to make money. So you can pause right here if you want to read the whole thing. And if you want to copy it word for word, you can get all my prompts for free with the link in the description. Now watch what it does before it touches anything. First, it writes out a 6-step plan, which includes finding prospects, checking every profile against my rules, building a short list of 10, getting my approval, then sending the messages. It actually planned out everything on its own. Now, here's where it gets good. Chapter 2. And this is the part I want you to actually watch. See this panel on the right? Well, that's the new browser activity log, and it's showing you every move it makes. Those are real screenshots of a real browser on my Instagram account. And as you can see, it starts on the hashtag pages. Then it starts opening posts and checking people out one at a time. Here's the first one. Chantel has 870 followers, so she's under my limit. But then it reads her bio, and the bio says e-com growth strategist. So it says she's coaching other people, and it disqualifies her. That's my third filter working, and it caught it by actually reading her page. Now here's a guy who just opened his own business at the shore, and the post looks perfect. So it clicks into his profile, and he's got 84,300 followers, which again is way over my limit. So he's disqualified. Now, this is the one I want to zoom in on. This is Sage at Weeping Willow Creations. She has 606 followers. Her bio says illustrator and maker. She sells on Etsy, and she's got a night market coming up in August. So it marks her as prospect number 2 and keeps going. This is awesome because, okay, that's a real person running a real small business found by AI in my browser while I sat there, and it kept knocking people out. A Botanica whose last post was January of 2024, gone. An ice cream shop with 1,719 followers, only 219 over my limit, and it still cut them. It even caught 2 people it had already messaged earlier and skipped them, so I wasn't double DMing anybody. By the end, it had looked at more than 20 profiles across 8 hashtags to find 10 that fit. And here's the list. A candle shop, Sage, 2 bakeries, an author who just got her LLC, a bookkeeper, a dental practice with 153 followers, Cafe Brio, a brunch cafe that just opened, and a wellness brand that sold out their first drop. Every single one is under 1,500 followers. Every single one has posted recently, and not one of them is a coach. Then it stops. It shows me all 10 messages personalized for each person, and it labels this a medium risk action. It even tells me straight up that once these send, they can't be unsent. And there's the button. Yes, send all 10 DMs. So the AI never does anything irreversible on my account without me looking first. I hit approve. All right, So now it's got the green light. Chapter 3. And I want to be really clear about what you're looking at. This is Instagram, and check this out. That's not me typing. That's Go High Level, driving my browser, opening each profile, clicking the message button, typing the message out, and hitting send. And every message is different because it wrote each one off of what it saw on their page. To Dunn, it says, your custom cakes look absolutely stunning. Are you the owner and baker behind Simply Done? To Ophelia, it says, congrats on your LLC. Are you the author and owner behind it? That's not a template with a name swapped in. It looked at their page and wrote something true about them. And that's the entire difference between a DM that gets a reply and one that gets deleted. 9 of them went out between 3:53 and 3:59 in the afternoon. It skipped 1 because it remembered messaging her earlier that day. And if somebody writes back and confirms they're the owner, that's your warm lead. So then I typed one more line, leave a comment on one of their recent posts, compliment them, and let them know you just sent a DM. And this is the strategy piece, so stay with me. A cold DM from somebody you don't follow lands in a folder most people never open. But a comment shows up as a notification on their phone, so the comment is what makes them go look for the DM. 1 touch gets buried, 2 touches get seen. So it goes to Cafe Brio and leaves this. Love what you're building here at Cafe Brio. Such a wonderful vibe, coffee, pancakes, and good energy every single day. And then it nudges them to check their DMs. Then it goes to Sage, and it doesn't just pick any posts. It finds the one about her night market on August 7th and 8th, and it tells her that her work is a perfect fit for the theme. It went and read her actual event, then wrote about it. And now I'm going to show you something that went wrong, because you need to see this. It commented on Landon's post, the bookkeeper, and Instagram took the comment down. It flagged the phrase, I just sent you a DM as promotional. So the AI caught it, told me about it, and then rewrote the very next comment to drop that line completely. The last one it left is just a genuine compliment with no DM mention at all, and that one stayed up. That's a real limit, and I'd rather show it to you than pretend it doesn't exist. All right, so that's the whole thing working for my agency. But I've got a second business, my AI community, and I wanted to know if the same system would work over there too. So let's move on to chapter 4, running it again for my niche. Same prompt, different target. Find people who are likely interested in starting their own AI agency and message them asking if they already have one. And before it did anything, it warned me. It said sending unsolicited DMs at scale can trigger Instagram spam detection and restrict my account. So we're going slow, 5 to 10 people max per session. It gave me the safety rule before I even asked for it. Now here's where it got smarter than me. Instead of hashtags, it found 2 big posts about building an AI agency, and it pulled the people who commented AI and start on them. Those people already raised their hand, and that's about as warm as a cold lead gets. It found 7 of them, showed me the list, and asked for approval again. Then it sent all 7, one at a time, between 12:34 and 12:43. And now watch this, because this is the whole video right here. This is my high-level inbox. The DM went out at 12:43. And at 12:43, the same minute, he writes back and says, I'm trying to start up one. And at 12:44, 1 minute later, my conversation AI agent answers him, not me. I wasn't even in there. It tells him about my AI business blueprint, that it's built for beginners who want to start an AI-powered social media agency with over 100 video lessons, templates, a private community, and bi-weekly live Q&A calls. And it tells him it's free if he starts a Go High Level trial through my link. And at 12:45, he says, yeah, I need further details. So the AI found him, the AI messaged him, and then a second AI closed him. My whole part was 1 prompt. And by the way, everything my AI just told that guy is true. So let me say it to you directly. Go High Level is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all of my clients. And it's where everything you just watched happened. The browser extension, the AI agent, the inbox, all of it. It's $97 a month, and you can start it free with my link down in the description. All right, now before you go run this, there's some stuff you need to know. So let's get into chapter 5, the caveats. Let me be straight about the speed. This isn't fast. It took about 10 minutes to send 7 messages, so it's not some machine gun blasting 1,000 DMs an hour. But it is automated. I typed 1 prompt and never thought about it again except to hit approve. And slow is the right speed here. Instagram is watching for accounts that behave like robots, and this one moves at a human pace. Now here's the rule I want you to write down. Do not send more than 50 DMs in a day. And if you're just starting out, I keep it to 25. Same thing with comments, keep them low and keep them real. You saw Instagram remove one of my comments for saying, I just sent you a DM. So keep the comment a genuine compliment and let the DM do the asking. Push this too hard and you'll get your account restricted, and no client is worth that. And one more, 9 DMs isn't a business. This is a daily habit. 25 a day is 500 a month, and that's when the math starts working. All right, so now let's talk about the money. Chapter 6, the part that actually pays you. Because getting a reply is worthless if you don't know what you're selling. So take Cafe Brio right off that list. 416 followers, just opened. Great food, no real content plan. That's exactly who this is for. And here's what I'd sell them. I built their whole month of content with one prompt in ChatGPT work mode. And the trick is I don't let it make 25 images one at a time. I make it build one picture first, a 5x5 grid with all the covers and headlines readable. That way I approve the whole month in one look before anything gets produced. Here's a real one I built for a landscaping company that didn't even have a website. All I gave it was their directory listing. This carousel is called Why Homeowners Hire Us Again. 4.9 out of 5 from 193 reviews. Consultative, not pushy. Veteran owned, 14 years. Every one of those came off their listing, so it's a trust post built entirely out of things that are actually true. Here's a month for a mobile dog grooming business. And these are my own carousels for my own brand with my face on every slide. So build it for yourself first, prove it works, then go sell it. Then all of it goes into high level. Then the AI agent fills out one spreadsheet, I upload it to the social planner inside of High Level, and 30 posts drop onto the calendar in about a minute. And there's a checkbox in there that says send for approval. So I add the client and they get their own page where they review every post and hit approve or reject before anything goes live. That one checkbox is what turns this from posting stuff into a real managed service. Then the last piece is the one you already watched work. Every 5th slide says comment a keyword. That fires a workflow that DMs them the info and tags them as a social media lead. And then Conversation AI picks it up from there and books them at any hour, exactly like it did for me at 12:44 in the afternoon. So here's the offer. 30 posts a month on Instagram and Facebook, all captions and hashtags written, everything scheduled, their own approval link, revisions handled, the comment automation, and an AI agent answering messages and booking appointments around the clock. One flat price, $500 a month. And here's the part that makes it scale. No one-on-one meetings. Everything runs through email and support tickets. We're rolling this out at my agency right now, and we already have several clients paying for it. And I'll be straight with you, it's the easiest service we've ever launched because they're not buying images. They're buying the fact that they never have to think about Instagram again. And when a business posts every day, they start showing up everywhere. On Instagram, on Google, and even inside ChatGPT when somebody nearby is looking for a cafe. One more thing, don't tell them AI made it. They don't care how it's made. After the first month, this is about 30 to 45 minutes per client, and you don't rebuild it for the next one. You save the account as a snapshot, load it into the new one, and everything's already there. So 20 clients at $500 is $10,000 a month on $97 of software. And every one of those clients can come from a DM that an AI sent for you while you were doing something else.